What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that I recently talked about maybe like 9 or 10 days ago. A project that I see a lot of other people talking about, and I need to mention some things about it, as well as the fact that I just want to come out and say it. I purchased some of it. Now, I want you guys to understand exactly what I did within this video. Don't just go and purchase it just because I said I purchased it. I want you guys to understand the reasoning behind why I decided to purchase this position. Now, the play we're talking about today in this video is Marvin On Base. This is a project that was brought across my desk, maybe a few days ago, maybe a few weeks ago, actually, that is in pre-sale, and you can join the pre-sale and be a part of it. It's something on base that could see a lot of traction, that does have videos created about it, a lot of tweets that are going out about it, conversations that are happening about it, and that's what's really driving the interest. And what I want to do, and I've said this time and time again, is I want to be a part of something that I can kind of grow from the ground up, kind of like joining an entry level position. And when you're working a job, you're working with the company from the ground up, turning it into something a lot bigger, and hopefully you have some sort of payout as you do see that larger move. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about the project, and we're going to go through a lot more detail. If you could hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys, again, want to check out any links for Marvin On Base, I will provide those at the top of the description. But here's the new website. They have a new and improved website from the last time that we actually made a video, which again was about, let's say, 2 weeks ago. Hi, I'm Marvin. You could join the pre-sale right now. Marvin On Base is about to be unleashed. Marvin has assembled a rockstar team, including a SHIBA marketing dev, and KOLs. Or KOLS from Brett On Base, meaning that this could potentially be the next Brett, but doing something maybe a little bit bigger when it comes to impact, right? So if you want to check out their Twitter, their Telegram, you can check that out, as well as the chart eventually, as well as base scan eventually. You can join the pre-sale now, which I'm going to tell you guys, I did just join the pre-sale. I added 0.03 ETH to it, not a crazy amount. I only invested about $103 or something like that. So I didn't want to go all in on it and invest $1,000 or $10,000 or anything like that, but I did want to invest a decent amount, and I always like to find those opportunities that you could potentially see at a lower level turn into something a lot bigger. So anyways, let's go ahead and continue to talk about this. When it comes to the pre-sale, I know some people are confused about base. Base is very simple to understand, right? If you wanted to transfer your money or buy ETH on base, you can either transfer on MetaMask, which you can bridge over, and that's a simple way of doing it, or you can go here and you can connect your wallet. Now, once you connect your wallet, it's going to take you over to MetaMask if you do have MetaMask. Hopefully that's the case. And what you could do is you want to buy, you can see here $104.81 is how much I've joined the pre-sale with. But what you could do is you can go into buy/sell, and then it'll take you to a screen to where you can buy/sell or whatever. You will continue with Coinbase. You can use Coinbase Pay. Now, I'm not going to do that because obviously it's going to break down my information and go through information that you guys can't really see. Or you can utilize your debit card or credit card or whatever, and buy Ethereum, or buy $150, buy $200 worth of Ethereum, whatever that actually is. So I decided to purchase about $104, as we just talked about. I purchased $104 of Marvin On Base. Not a crazy amount, but just getting my feet wet in the situation. And if we do see more and more conversation, more and more hype that's about it, I may purchase 200 and 300 and 400. But it all depends on the different type of movement and the different things I see within the chart. But pre-sales are always great. I want to be a part of some of these pre-sales, and this seems like one that a lot of people are talking about. 1 million giveaway. Don't click this. 1 million giveaway divided to the top 1,000 holders at $100 million market cap. I mean, that's a lot. $1 million, not 1 million Marvin, $1 million to be given away. So make sure you guys are a part of that, because that could be a decent amount that's thrown your way. Marvin tokenomics, to be announced. They're going to break all of that down. You do see the a total supply is 1.5 billion, 1.5 trillion. Is that what that is? Million, billion, trillion, 1.5 trillion. That is there. You're also seeing 1% of total tax to Shiba Inu burns for Shiba Inu collaboration. This is something that I mentioned in the last video, was the fact that it's supporting SHIB in a large way. And if it is supporting SHIB in a large way, I'm all for it, right? 5% of the total tax to Marvin marketing, and further mobile app developments, and then 500 billion Marvin held back for burns and tier 1 exchange listings. You can make your meme get published, win prizes as well. Marvin Trustbot, unmatched value, epic growth, cutting edge tech, top expertise, insane results. Don't miss out. Join us and ride the wave. Click Connect Wallet and select Approved Token for an eligible campaign. Swap your gas-trapped tokens for Marvin to save on gas fees and join an exciting crypto community. So here's the breakdown of their roadmap. Marvin Trust Utility Bot created, Shiba Inu collaboration, Brett on Base KOL on board, top YouTubers and influencers on board as well, at $60 million market cap, tier 1 listing. $1 million token giveaway. We talked about that. Apple and Android app release, and more to come. You can see here some people that have talked about it. Some breakdowns. Again, I've seen some mentions about it, and that's what's kind of drawn my interest a little bit. But then you also see that, you have Marvin on Base on Twitter or on X, and you have 1,260 followers. I would imagine that this is going to grow pretty quickly with the mentions that we do see there. So again, I decided to buy some of this pre-sale and be a part of this pre-sale because I feel as though they're partnering with a project that I know and love, right? Shiba Inu is something that I know and love, and I want to see the support. I want to see the movement. So anyways, make sure you guys check out the links down below for Marvin on Base. I will provide as much as I can, as much information as I can. Make sure you guys check out my links down below as well. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.